Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Here are 15 MCQs with answers and explanations on building semantic models in Microsoft Fabric. Question 1. In Power BI, which storage mode allows combining import and direct query sources? Correct answer is composite, as composite mode allows mixing import and direct query for flexibility in performance and freshness. Question 2. Why is a star schema preferred when designing semantic models? Correct answer is it simplifies model structure and improves performance, as star schema minimizes joins and supports efficient aggregations and reporting. Question 3. What is the role of a bridge table in a many-to-many relationship? Correct answer is resolves relationships between fact tables and shared dimensions, as bridge tables allow semantic models to link multiple fact tables to a shared dimension. Question 4. Which DAX function is used to iterate through rows of a table and return a single value? Correct answer is SUMX, as SUMX is an iterator that evaluates an expression row by row. Question 5. What is the purpose of using DAX variables in complex calculations? Correct answer is improve readability and reusability of expressions, as variables simplify DAX logic by holding reusable intermediate results. Question 6. What is a use case for implementing a calculation group in a semantic model? Correct answer is applying uniform time intelligence calculations across measures, as calculation groups standardize logic like YOY, MOM across multiple measures. Question 7. Which storage format supports semantic models over 10 GB in size? Correct answer is large model format, as large model format lifts memory limitations for big datasets in premium capacity. Question 8. When designing a composite model, what does the dual storage mode enable? Correct answer is allows switching between import and direct query dynamically, as dual mode improves performance by enabling local caching when appropriate. Question 9. How do dynamic format strings enhance DAX measures? Correct answer is allow measures to change number formats based on context, as dynamic formats adjust currency, percentage, or number display at runtime. Question 10. What does the DAX function all typically do? Correct answer is ignores filters in a calculation context, as all removes filters to return totals regardless of slicers or filters. Question 11. In a semantic model, what is a common cause of ambiguity in many-to-many relationships? Correct answer is circular relationships or missing bridge logic, as many-to-many relationships can result in ambiguous filtering if not handled with bridge tables. Question 12. What does the DAX selected value function return? Correct answer is a single value if one is selected, otherwise blank is selected value, returns one selected value or blank, avoiding errors in slicer logic. Question 13. Why would you choose direct query mode in a semantic model? Correct answer is to access real-time data without importing, as direct query keeps data in source systems and queries them live. Question 14. What's the key benefit of using field parameters in semantic models? Correct answer is enables dynamic switching of columns or measures in visuals, as field parameters let users interactively choose what to display in visuals. Question 15. What is the impact of too many active relationships in a model? Correct answer is it can lead to ambiguous filter paths and performance issues, as multiple active paths can cause ambiguity and inefficient query resolution. For full-length practice exams, check the link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and comment if you like the video.